Halloween is just around the corner, and it's time to get creative with your spooky snacks. Forget about the usual candies and chocolates. Let's turn up the heat with a twist on a classic appetizer, Jalapeno Mummy Poppers. These little mummies are not only delicious, but also hilariously spooky. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to create these Halloween-themed treats that will impress your party guests. Before we dive into the kitchen, let's gather all the ingredients we need. Fresh jalapeno peppers, cream cheese, pepper jack cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, crescent roll dough, egg, candy googly eyes. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the peppers. Preheat your oven to 400 F200 C. Line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. Step 2. Hollowing out the jalapenos. Slice the jalapeno peppers in half lengthwise. Carefully scoop out the seeds and ribs. Be sure to leave the stems intact if possible. Discard the seeds and ribs. Step 3. Preparing the filling. In a small bowl, mix the softened cream cheese, pepper jack cheese, a pinch of garlic and onion powder, and season with salt and pepper. Ensure everything is well combined. Step 4. Stuffing the peppers. Carefully fill each jalapeno half with the cheese mixture. Avoid overfilling to prevent the cheese from oozing out during baking. Step 5. Wrapping the mummies. Unroll the crescent roll dough and keep the triangles together. Pinch the perforations between the triangles. Cut thin strips of dough, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch wide. Wrap 1 or 2 pieces of dough around each pepper half, leaving space at the top for the googly eyes. Step 6. Adding the finishing touches. Create an egg wash by whisking 1 egg with about 1 tablespoon of water. Place the mummies on a baking sheet and brush a thin layer of the egg wash on each one. Step 7. Baking the mummies. Bake for approximately 15 minutes or until the mummies turn golden brown. Remove from the oven and immediately insert the candy googly eyes into the melted cheese while it's still soft. Step 8. Extra flavor optional. If you want to take your jalapeno mummy poppers to the next level, consider adding cooked bacon to the cheese mixture. However, make sure not to wrap the bacon around the jalapeno as the dough will prevent it from cooking properly. You can also experiment with different cheese varieties like sharp cheddar, Gruyere, Manchego, Parmesan, or a Mexican or Italian blend. For an extra kick, try incorporating a teaspoon of dry ranch dressing into the cream cheese mixture. If you enjoyed this spooky and fun recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more great recipes.